Howdy, it's Nathaniel at Coronado Yacht Sales, and today we're going to take a look at a 2023 Electracraft 182TR. Boat's 18 foot long, tons and tons of interior space, real easy maneuver. It turns on a dime, and easy entry. Check this out. Just walk on board and walk out the other side. And then you've got these easy sliding doors. Pretty sweet boat. Give me a call if you're interested, and let's go take a look. All right, here she is from the front. Note the LED lighting. There's a bow light there, a white one, and then of course we have our green and red markers on the other side. Nice looking boat. The big blue and gray swoosh along the side. This one is a fully loaded Electracraft, and it's only 1 year old. But like I said, 18 foot long and full polycarbonate all around, right? I don't know, she's a little dusty today, but they clean up real nice. They're in excellent condition. And note the upholstery as well. Look at this gray and dark blue upholstery. Nice big table with space for bottles there in the center. That panel comes off. We do have interior lighting as well, right, up in the ceiling. And then all these panels come easily out. That door just slides out of the way for boarding. You'll note here the smart plug receptacle, right? That's the latest and greatest in, well, charging connectors. And then also right there, we've got the Delta Volt. That's the battery charging monitor. So this is a fully electric boat, obviously. And so no gasoline. If you're down here in the Coronado Cays, which is great, there's no gas station for miles. But look at all this open space, right? We've just got one table in here. This entire back area is open for you to set up your hors d'oeuvre bar, have your drinks set up, plenty of cup holders for your afternoon cruise with margaritas and whatnot. And it's got this. This is a Fusion stereo. This is the newest one where it's all Bluetooth enabled. You can play the radio, of course. 1.5. Or you can stream from your phone. All right. Let's take a look at the helm. Look at this. We got two cup holders at the helm. You want your driver to stay hydrated. And then we also have controls here. So check out this. That's the Fusion control. So I can turn up the volume there and change the station or advance from there as well. And then on this boat, let's turn that volume down. You also have, so you have two battery banks. One is the large battery bank for moving, right? That's the main one there. And then next to that is there one that says accessory. So that's the batteries that are used for, say, your lights, the refrigerator, stereo, that kind of stuff. And then here's the main control panel for this Electracraft. You've got the horn up top, and then you have your running lights, your red, your green, your stern light, and then docking lights. That's that white one that was up front that I mentioned. And then we have the interior lights, which are up there. And dim ones. Oh, I see. So you can make it brighter by just holding that down. And then the 12 volt power here as well. That's to power all that other stuff. Here we have a standard, like this is like your classic throttle, just like you'd have, you know, for a remote outboard, stuff like that. But it's real easy to know where neutral is and all of that. And then right below that is the breaker for the whole drive mechanism, which is really nice. That's nice and convenient there. Then you have your key slot, a little holder there for manuals and whatnot, and a very, very comfortable captain's chair. Let me show you that. Excellent, huh? And so back here as well, you'll notice 2 Fusion speakers there. And then on the forward side, we have 2 more up there, right? And there are little accent lights, right? That's part of the lighting system. Those all come on when you turn that on. This boat has a refrigerator with a little freezer compartment up there. Keep some ice. And right here, this is the Pro Watt. So this is your inverter. So if you wanted to run, say, a margarita blender or an ice maker, right? We have 110 outlets right here with the USB charger and slots as well, that you can run those items with. And then plenty of storage as well for your various things. And this is all great construction. This is starboard. So these panels and these drawers are all made of starboard, which lasts forever, right? This isn't just, plywood. It's going to deteriorate after a couple of years. And then this little spot you would have a trash can in. And then back here, we'll just take a quick look for the geeks out there. But back here, you have access to, so that's the steering arm. There is your charger for the main batteries. And then there's another charger over there for your accessories bank. I think these are the batteries for the accessory bank back here. And then you have more access underneath this nice fabric. What is it? I think it's called woven vinyl flooring, right? So that's nice. It snaps in, keeps everything not slick and clean. That's a great option and upgrade to have this carpet in here. All right, so we'll just look around. Note here as well, as we look up, you'll see these panels, these polycarbonate panels that go all the way around, right, can be easily stowed out of the way. Even these big ones, look at that, they snap in the center, so they're all the way out of the way and supported. Up here, of course, we have this big table I mentioned. It really is a nice big table. I would probably have it like this normally. Anyways, I love these Electracrafts. I think they're great boats and real easy to maneuver. Perfect down here in the Cays or up in Newport, Westlake Village. And this one is in excellent condition. Thank you so much for viewing this video of this Electracraft 182TR. Great boat, wonderful condition, and ready for sale today. We can, I can deliver it over to your dock here in the Cays within minutes. Give me a call, Nathaniel, 619-313-3664.